Hello students, I am Dr. Komal Rathod, Assistant Professor Komal Nritya, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science in Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Rajasthan, Jaipur. This topic we will talk about neonatal conjunctivitis. So first of all, definition. The bilateral inflammation of the conjunctiva occurring in an infant less than 30 days old. Even watering of eyes till 1 week creates a suspension of this as tears are not formed till then. Source and mode of infection before birth, during birth, and after birth. Now, causative agents. First is chemical conjunctivitis. Second, gonococcal. Third, other bacterial infection. Fourth, neonatal inclusive conjunctivitis. And last, herpes simplex ophthalmia neonatum. Here we are, neonates, 24 hours before chemical conjunctivitis, 1 week before Neisseria gonorrhoeae, and 1 to 2 week chlamydia trachomatis. Observation, hospitalization, and oral erythromycin. Infant and toddler without otitis. Haemophilus influenzae, streptococcus, and Brahmella catarrhalia. Topical antibiotics used. School-age children, 3 to 5 years, herpes simplex virus, varicella zoster, and conjunctivitis. Topical antiviral oral acyclovir treatment occur. School-age children and adolescents. Viral conjunctivitis and allergic conjunctivitis. Supportive care, artificial tear. And antihistaminic, decongestant, H1 antagonist, mast cell stabilizer, and NSAIDs are used in treatment. Now, incubation periods depend on the type of the causative agent. Chemically, 4 to 6 hours, gonococcal 2 to 4 days, other bacteria 4 to 5 days, neonatal inclusive conjunctivitis 5 to 14 days. Incubation and herpes simplex 5 to 7 days incubation periods. Now, symptoms is pain and tenderness in eyeball, conjunctival discharge, swollen eyelid, hyperemia and chemosis, and coronal involvement. This is the picture of Thelmia neonatum, red, swollen, and flabby eye in a baby. Means clean pus away from eyes with the clean cloth and water. Use tetracycline eye ointment every hours in both eye for 4 days. Now give penicillin injection. IM is available. This is conjunctival discharge. Complications. Untreated cases, corneal ulceration, corneal opacification, or staphyloma formation. Now treatment. Treatment first is prophylaxis treatment. Antenatal care of mother, natal hygienic delivery. Third is postnatal 1% tetracycline and 0.5% erythromycin and 1% silver nitrate solution used. It's a very important postnatal. Curative treatment, chemical ophthalmia neonatum, gonococcal ophthalmia neonatum, topical surgery, topical therapy, saline lavage, bacteria seen 4 times a day, if corneal involvement, atropine sulfate, or systemic treatment again. Here we are, home remedy for eye infection. Conjunctiva, it's first of all, it's a DD, differential diagnosis as much. Conjunctiva or pink eye, sty or hydrolinum. This is form in eye, outer area, blepharitis, keratitis, orbital cellulitis, and dacryocytis. Warm compression, dip a clean cloth in warm water, squeeze out in excess water, put the warm cloth on the affected eye until the cloth becomes cold. Saline solutions mix 1 tea salt in 1 cup of water, boil the solution, allow it to cool completely, use it thoroughly, rinse the affected eye. Explore it again. Now, again, mode more major treatment according to species, presenting first few days of life. Severe purulent conjunctivitis like causative organism is similar to those presenting 4 to 5 days of life but consider Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Requires an urgent gram stain retreat with chloramphenicol eye drop, 0.5% at least 6 times a day, frequently dependent upon severity. Presenting 4-5 days of life. First is presenting a few days of life and presenting 4-5 days of life. Bacterial infection with causative organism likely to be from Streptococcus aureus, Streptococcus pneumoniae, E. coli, and other coliforms and Haemophilus species. Empirical treatment, chloramphenicol eye drop 0.5% 6 times daily. Adjust treatment depend upon microbiological result. And presenting 5 to 14 days of life. Watery and mucopurulent discharge is appeared, so then the conjunctival reaction is papillary rather than follicular. Like causative organism, chlamydia. Empirical treatment, oral erythromycin 12.5 mg per kg, 4 times daily. Ofloxacin 0.3%, 6 times daily. So it's all about brief knowledge about neonatal conjunctivitis. Hope you like that session and I hope you understand the video. So thank you.